Are you looking to buy an affordable home in Hudson? One to start your home ownership journey that you can put a little sweat equity into and totally make your own? Well, come on in and take a look around, and let's see if 334 5th Street North might just be the perfect next home for you. As soon as you walk in, you're going to love how big this living room is. Big enough for a comfy, cozy couch for a night at home at the movies, and so spacious. Look at all this natural light. The formal dining room is big enough for grandma's table so that you can have family and friends to your house for the holidays. Off of the dining room is the main floor home office that all of us seem to need. This kitchen can be configured so many different ways. It's big enough to be an amazing room. Look at this great space off the kitchen. This is big enough to be a family room, a dining room, an office, even a main floor master. Off of the kitchen is access to the full bath and your main floor laundry room. The kitchen holds the entry to this great side porch. Leave the coat, the hat, the boots, all the dirt outside. Both sets of stairs are here. Downstairs is the foundation and mechanicals, and upstairs are two large bedrooms. Let's go take a look. Just past the first bedroom is this huge bedroom that you can do so much with. A master with a sitting area perhaps, a shared bedroom for the kids, maybe a home theater. The possibilities are endless. Everything you need is right here to start your home ownership journey. I'm Juile Heifner from Lakes Area Realty. Give me a call at 715-410-9021 and let's schedule your tour today.